Aging is often portrayed as an inevitable decline, something we passively endure. But the biology of aging is not a fixed trajectory. It is influenced dramatically by lifestyle, environment, and notably nutrition. The skin, our largest organ, is a vivid window into how well or poorly our body ages. It reflects oxidative stress, inflammation, cellular turnover, and even internal hormonal balance. The good news is that what we eat daily can powerfully modulate the processes that accelerate aging and those that promote skin vitality. Today, I want to walk you through 5 foods backed by rigorous scientific evidence that can reverse aging effects and enhance skin health naturally. These foods do not rely on expensive creams or interventions, but on biochemistry you can influence with each meal. Let's begin with a central concept. Aging at the cellular level is largely driven by oxidative damage and inflammation. Free radicals, highly reactive molecules produced as a byproduct of metabolism and environmental exposure, damage DNA, proteins, and lipids, accelerating skin aging and breakdown of collagen and elastin. Inflammation compounds this by triggering a cascade of cytokines and enzymes that further degrade the skin's structural matrix. So, the foods we choose must have the capacity to reduce oxidative stress and modulate inflammation, while also promoting repair processes like collagen synthesis and cellular renewal. First on this list is wild-caught fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. These fatty acids integrate into the phospholipid membranes of skin cells, improving membrane fluidity and resilience against environmental insults like UV radiation. UV exposure is the leading external factor in premature skin aging, causing wrinkles, pigmentation, and loss of elasticity. Omega-3s also suppress pro-inflammatory cytokines like interleukin-6 and tumor necrosis factor alpha, reducing chronic low-grade inflammation that accelerates aging. Research shows that individuals with higher omega-3 intake have greater skin hydration, reduced scaling and dryness, and improved elasticity. Omega-3s additionally promote production of specialized pro-resolving mediators, lipid compounds that actively switch off inflammation and initiate tissue repair. Beyond direct skin benefits, omega-3s also improve blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients crucial for skin renewal. The takeaway: aim to consume wild-caught fatty fish at least twice per week, or consider high-quality fish oil supplements to flood your system with these essential fats. Second is blueberries. Not just any fruit, but one of the richest sources of polyphenols, especially anthocyanins. These pigments give blueberries their deep blue, purple color, and function as potent antioxidants. Polyphenols scavenge free radicals, reducing oxidative damage to skin cells. But their benefits go beyond direct antioxidant capacity. They also modulate gene expression related to longevity, skin repair, and collagen synthesis through pathways like NRF2 and sirtuins, proteins that regulate cellular stress responses and mitochondrial health. Clinical studies show that blueberry consumption improves skin elasticity, reduces wrinkle formation, and even enhances collagen density in the dermis. Their fiber content also supports gut health, which is increasingly recognized as a critical factor in skin inflammation and immune regulation. Dysbiosis in the gut microbiome can lead to systemic inflammation, worsening skin conditions like acne, eczema, and premature aging. Blueberries help maintain a healthy gut flora, further reducing inflammatory signaling that harms skin integrity. Adding a handful of fresh or frozen blueberries daily is a simple, delicious intervention with wide-ranging benefits. Next, we have avocado, a unique fruit abundant in monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, which is a precursor to anti-inflammatory molecules. Avocado also contains high levels of vitamin E, a lipid-soluble antioxidant that protects cell membranes from peroxidation by free radicals. Vitamin E is a frontline defender against photoaging, neutralizing reactive oxygen species generated by UV exposure before they damage skin DNA and collagen. Avocados are also a rich source of lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that accumulate in the skin and filter high-energy blue light, reducing photooxidative stress. These carotenoids also help maintain skin hydration and elasticity. The fats in avocado enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K from other foods, amplifying their skin benefits. Additionally, avocado's high content of folate and B vitamin supports DNA repair and synthesis, crucial for cellular renewal. Research indicates that regular avocado consumption improves facial wrinkle depth and skin firmness over time. Including half an avocado daily, whether sliced on salads or blended into smoothies, can provide sustained skin protection and nourishment. The fourth food is green tea, which is often consumed as a beverage but deserves special mention due to its unique polyphenolic compounds, particularly epigallocatechin 3 galates EGCG. EGCG is among the most potent antioxidants found in nature. It modulates numerous molecular pathways involved in skin aging. It reduces oxidative stress, inhibits matrix metalloproteinases that break down collagen, and enhances DNA repair after UV damage. Green tea's catechins also improve skin barrier function, increasing hydration and reducing inflammation caused by environmental irritants. It has been shown to reduce the severity of photoaging and protect against skin cancers in long-term studies. Topically applied green tea extracts are popular, but consuming green tea regularly delivers systemic benefits to skin cells from within. Drinking 2 to 3 cups per day ensures consistent delivery of EGCG and other bioactive compounds. Its caffeine content additionally stimulates circulation, promoting nutrient delivery to the skin. Finally, the fifth powerhouse is nuts, particularly almonds and walnuts. These nuts provide a potent combination of vitamin E, selenium, healthy fats, and polyphenols. Selenium is a trace mineral essential for the activity of glutathione peroxidase, a key antioxidant enzyme that protects skin from oxidative damage. Vitamin E synergizes with selenium to bolster antioxidant defense and maintain skin barrier integrity. Walnuts offer an optimal ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids, which helps balance inflammatory signaling. This balance is critical as excessive omega-6 fatty acids without omega-3s promote inflammation, accelerating skin aging. Nuts also provide arginine, an amino acid precursor to nitric oxide, which improves skin blood flow and enhances collagen production. Studies link regular nut consumption to increased skin elasticity, reduced roughness, and improved hydration. Including a small handful of nuts daily, either as snacks or sprinkled on meals, can have profound cumulative effects on skin health. Beyond these 5 foods, there are important overarching principles to consider. The timing of nutrient intake matters. Eating antioxidants and anti-inflammatory foods with or around meals containing fats improves their absorption. For example, the carotenoids in avocado enhance the bioavailability of polyphenols from blueberries and green tea. Conversely, excessive sugar and processed foods accelerate the formation of advanced glycation end products, AGEs, that stiffen collagen fibers and accelerate wrinkling. Minimizing refined carbohydrates and processed fats helps protect the structural matrix of the skin. Hydration also plays a critical role. While water alone doesn't directly reverse aging, well, hydrated skin cells function more optimally, maintain elasticity, and support barrier repair. Drinking adequate water alongside these nutrient-dense foods provides the medium for biochemical reactions and toxin clearance. Exercise, sleep, and stress management synergize with nutrition to further enhance skin health. Exercise increases blood flow, delivering nutrients to skin cells and supporting collagen turnover. Sleep promotes cellular repair and hormonal balance critical to skin regeneration. Stress reduction lowers cortisol, which when chronically elevated, accelerates skin aging through inflammation and immune suppression. When all these factors are combined, regular intake of anti-inflammatory, antioxidant-rich foods, optimized hydration, quality sleep, movement, and stress control, the skin doesn't just maintain itself, it rejuvenates and resists the wear and tear of aging. These 5 foods, wild-caught fatty fish, blueberries, avocado, green tea, and nuts, represent practical, accessible, and scientifically validated nutritional tools that anyone can incorporate. They provide molecular building blocks and signaling molecules that promote skin repair, protect against environmental damage, and restore youthful resilience. In essence, aging is not a passive surrender, but an active biological process that can be shaped daily by what you choose to eat and how you live. The skin reflects these choices because it is both a barrier and a dynamic organ capable of renewal. Nourishing it from within with the right foods optimizes not just appearance, but cellular health, immune defense, and overall longevity. Embrace these nutritional strategies not as a quick fix, but as a lifestyle that fosters enduring skin vitality and radiance for years to come. If you want, I can also help convert this into a shorter format or create actionable daily guides based on this content. Just let me know. Certainly, I'll continue the speech with additional depth, elaborating on the mechanisms, scientific findings, and practical applications of these foods and related concepts, keeping the tone and style consistent. Let's dive deeper into the biology behind these foods and their impact on the skin's microenvironment, because skin health is much more than surface-level appearance. It is a reflection of cellular health, mitochondrial function, extracellular matrix integrity, and immune system balance. The cells in your skin are constantly exposed to oxidative stress from UV radiation, pollution, and metabolic byproducts. This stress leads to the generation of reactive oxygen species, CROS, which damage lipids, proteins, and DNA. When ROS overwhelm the skin's natural antioxidant defenses, cellular damage accumulates, leading to visible signs of aging such as wrinkles, dryness, and loss of elasticity. The foods we discussed work at multiple levels to counteract these processes. Taking wild-caught fatty fish as an example, the omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA are incorporated into the phospholipid bilayer of keratinocytes and fibroblasts, the primary cells in the epidermis and dermis. This incorporation not only makes cell membranes more fluid, but also modulates the activity of membrane-bound receptors and enzymes that govern inflammatory signaling. This molecular remodeling reduces the expression of pro-inflammatory genes via nuclear factor kappa-B NF-B inhibition, a central transcription factor that drives chronic inflammation. Reducing NF-B activity helps prevent the degradation of collagen and elastin fibers, two critical proteins that provide the skin with its strength and elasticity. Furthermore, omega-3 fatty acids increase the synthesis of resolvins and protectins, specialized pro-resolving lipid mediators that actively terminate inflammation and promote tissue repair. This resolution phase is often impaired in aging skin, contributing to a chronic low-grade inflammatory state sometimes called homeflammaging. By enhancing this phase, omega-3s improve wound healing and skin barrier restoration. For those concerned about the source of omega-3s, it's important to choose wild-caught fish due to lower levels of contaminants like mercury and polychlorinated biphenyls, PCBs, which can counteract health benefits. Moving to blueberries, the polyphenols contained within these berries extend their influence beyond direct antioxidant scavenging. Polyphenols act as signaling molecules that interact with cellular pathways regulating oxidative stress responses. For instance, activation of the NARF2 pathway by blueberry polyphenols leads to upregulation of endogenous antioxidant enzymes like superoxide dismutase ESOD, catalase, and glutathione peroxidase. These enzymes form the skin's frontline defense against ROS. By boosting this intrinsic antioxidant system, blueberries help maintain redox homeostasis, crucial for preventing premature cellular senescence. Additionally, anthocyanins in blueberries have been shown to modulate matrix metalloproteinases, MMPs, enzymes responsible for degrading collagen and other components of the extracellular matrix. By suppressing MMP activity, blueberries help preserve the structural framework of the skin. This effect is amplified by their ability to enhance collagen synthesis, a process vital for skin regeneration. The synergy of antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and collagen-supporting activities makes blueberries a multi-targeted approach to skin health. Another often overlooked benefit of blueberries is their role in modulating the gut-skin axis. The gut microbiome profoundly influences systemic inflammation and immune responses, which in turn impact skin conditions. Polyphenols in blueberries serve as prebiotics, feeding beneficial gut bacteria that produce short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs like butyrate. SCFAs reduce gut permeability, preventing endotoxin leakage into the bloodstream, which would otherwise trigger systemic inflammation and exacerbate skin aging. Thus, blueberries support skin health not only directly but also indirectly by optimizing gut flora. Avocados, with their unique lipid profile, contribute both structural and functional benefits to skin cells. The monounsaturated fatty acid oleic acid modulates the fluidity and permeability of cell membranes, enhancing nutrient transport and waste removal. This is essential for maintaining the optimal environment in which skin cells operate. Vitamin E, present abundantly in avocados, works synergistically with other antioxidants like vitamin C to protect polyunsaturated fats in the cell membrane from peroxidation. This protective effect preserves membrane integrity and function. The carotenoids lutein and zeaxanthin found in avocados accumulate in the epidermis and dermis, acting as internal sunscreens that absorb high-energy blue light and ultraviolet rays. This photoprotection reduces DNA damage and photooxidative stress, key contributors to premature aging and skin cancers. Importantly, these carotenoids also have anti-inflammatory properties, reducing erythema and skin sensitivity after UV exposure. Folate and other B vitamins in avocados facilitate methylation reactions involved in DNA repair and gene expression regulation. Efficient DNA repair mechanisms are crucial for skin cells to maintain their replicative capacity and prevent senescence. Furthermore, the fats in avocado improve the bioavailability of fat-soluble vitamins and polyphenols from other foods consumed together, amplifying overall antioxidant defense. Green tea's EGCG is a bioactive molecule with a remarkable capacity to interact with cellular signaling networks. EGCG inhibits the activity of MMPs, protecting collagen from enzymatic degradation. It also promotes the synthesis of type I collagen, the most abundant form in skin, contributing to firmness and elasticity. By reducing inflammatory markers such as prostaglandin E2C PGE2 and nuclear factor kappa Bz MFB, EGCG lowers chronic skin inflammation. In addition, EGCG protects skin cells from UV-induced DNA damage by enhancing nucleotide excision repair mechanisms. This action reduces mutagenesis and photocarcinogenesis risk. Beyond its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, green tea catechins also promote angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels, improving skin microcirculation and nutrient delivery. The polyphenols in green tea can also enhance the skin's barrier function by increasing ceramide production, lipids that prevent water loss and maintain hydration. The caffeine content of green tea provides mild vasoconstriction, reducing puffiness and redness in the skin. Drinking 2 to 3 cups daily ensures sustained systemic availability of these catechins, supporting skin resilience over time. For maximum benefit, consume green tea without excessive sugar or dairy, which can blunt absorption of polyphenols. Nuts, especially almonds and walnuts, are nutritional powerhouses for skin health. The vitamin E content in almonds protects lipid membranes and prevents oxidative damage to skin cells. Selenium in nuts is a critical cofactor for glutathione peroxidase, a major antioxidant enzyme. Selenium deficiency has been linked to increased susceptibility to oxidative stress and skin aging. Walnuts provide a balanced ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids, which is important for modulating inflammatory pathways. While omega-6 fats in excess promote inflammation, walnuts' high omega-3 content tempers this effect, promoting a balanced inflammatory response. The arginine in nuts enhances nitric oxide production, improving microvascular circulation and oxygen delivery to skin tissues, which supports collagen production and cellular metabolism. The polyphenols and flavonoids found in nuts also contribute antioxidant effects, scavenging free radicals and reducing oxidative stress markers. Regular nut consumption has been linked to improvements in skin hydration, elasticity, and texture. Incorporating a small handful daily can cumulatively improve the structural integrity and appearance of the skin. It is also essential to highlight that these foods work synergistically. The fats in avocado and nuts improve the absorption of carotenoids from blueberries, while green tea's polyphenols work alongside vitamin E and selenium to bolster antioxidant defenses. The combined effect is greater than the sum of individual benefits. Beyond these foods, it is critical to reduce intake of factors that accelerate aging. High glycemic index foods increase blood sugar rapidly, leading to glycation, a process where sugar molecules bind to collagen fibers, stiffening and damaging them. This leads to the appearance of wrinkles and loss of skin elasticity. Processed foods, trans fats, and excessive alcohol consumption also promote oxidative stress and inflammation, hastening skin aging. Thus, dietary choices should prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential fats. Another key factor influencing skin health is hydration. While hydrated skin maintains turgor elasticity and barrier function, drinking adequate water supports cellular metabolism and waste removal. Moreover, hydration is critical for the function of enzymes involved in collagen synthesis and repair. Dehydrated skin is prone to dryness, flaking, and irritation, which exacerbates the aging process. Exercise and sleep amplify the benefits of nutrition. Physical activity increases blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the skin and supporting the removal of metabolic waste. Exercise also stimulates growth hormone release, which promotes collagen synthesis and skin regeneration. Quality sleep is essential for skin repair processes, including protein synthesis and cellular turnover. Sleep deprivation impairs these functions and increases cortisol, a stress hormone that accelerates collagen breakdown. Chronic psychological stress elevates cortisol and other glucocorticoids, which impair skin barrier function, reduce collagen synthesis, and promote inflammation. Mindfulness, meditation, and other stress reduction techniques support hormonal balance and skin health. When combined with optimal nutrition, these lifestyle factors create an environment conducive to youthful, resilient skin. In practice, adopting these 5 foods as staples can be straightforward and enjoyable. Wild-caught fatty fish can be grilled, baked, or incorporated into salads and bowls. Blueberries can be added to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. Avocados make a great addition to salads, toast, or blended into dressings and sauces. Green tea can be consumed hot or cold plain, or with a slice of lemon to enhance antioxidant effects. Nuts are a convenient snack or can be sprinkled on dishes for texture and nutrition. Personalizing intake according to individual needs, preferences, and tolerances maximizes adherence and long-term benefits. For instance, those who do not consume fish can use high-quality omega-3 supplements derived from algae. Individuals with nut allergies might focus more on avocado and fish-based fats. The key is consistency and integration into a balanced diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins. The science is clear. Skin aging is modifiable and can be slowed or partially reversed through targeted nutritional interventions. The 5 foods discussed provide a multi-pronged defense by reducing oxidative stress, modulating inflammation, promoting collagen synthesis, protecting against UV damage, and supporting, in conclusion, the journey to healthier, more youthful skin is deeply rooted in the choices we make every day, especially the foods we consume. By prioritizing nutrient-dense, antioxidant-rich, and anti-inflammatory foods like wild-caught fatty fish, blueberries, avocado, green tea, and nuts, we provide our skin with the molecular tools it needs to repair, protect, and rejuvenate itself naturally. These foods work synergistically to combat oxidative damage, support collagen production, and maintain the skin's barrier and hydration, helping to reverse many of the visible signs of aging. Combined with lifestyle factors such as proper hydration, quality sleep, regular exercise, and stress management, this nutritional approach becomes a powerful foundation for lasting skin health and vitality. Aging is not an unchangeable fate. It is a dynamic process influenced by how we nurture our bodies from within. Embracing these daily habits allows us to not only slow the clock, but also to build resilient, radiant skin that reflects the vibrancy of our overall well-being